Hi, this is Guitar Monk Mathew Dixon, and welcome to the Ho'oponopono Moment. Today I wanted to talk about what I like to call the self-hug. This is an exercise that I wanted to present to you. I use this every morning when I start my morning. And what I do is it only takes just a few seconds, and it's a great way to start your day. What you do is just take your arms, wrap them around yourself as tight as you can, and give yourself a huge hug, and you hold it. And as I hold that hug, I go through the mantra. You can do the mantra out loud. You can do it in your head, just like any other time when you're cleaning. And I say to myself, please forgive me. I'm sorry. Thank you. I love you. Now, you can do it up to 4 times. I wouldn't do it more than that. Sometimes I just do it once. Sometimes I do it twice. Sometimes up to 4 times. It's just whatever you feel. It's just a nice way to start your day, get connected, get grounded, start cleaning immediately, right off the bat. I don't even stand up out of bed before I do it. I'm sitting down. Usually I just flip my feet to the floor and I just give myself a big hug and please forgive me. I'm sorry. Thank you. I love you. So give it a try. And if you like it, or you have results, or you feel anything, please leave comments below, share with others, so that we can all learn from each other and we can all collectively share this and clean. All right. So again, I'm Guitar Monk Mathew Dixon. I'm wishing you peace, love, and music. Have a wonderful day.